Hi, welcome to our kitchen. I'm Sean.
And I'm Shannon, and we're happy to have you here with us today.
So before we get started, we just wanted to take a second and say that if you are not subscribed to this channel, please make sure you do. We do not want you to miss out on any of the recipe or videos that we have coming out in the future here.
So Sean and I absolutely love breakfast foods, and we could basically eat breakfast any time of the day. So today we're going to be making a scrambled egg breakfast muffin, and as you'll see, it's also similar ingredients to our breakfast pizza. And if you're interested in the breakfast pizza recipe, go ahead and check out the link in the description below.
We absolutely love these breakfast muffins because we can make them on a Sunday and then take them to work all week. These muffins are extremely versatile, so that means you can put whatever ingredients you want into them. They're a lot of fun to create, and
they're delicious.
They are delicious. So get ready because we food hard.
Okay, so to get our breakfast muffin started, you're going to need a muffin tin. I'm using like a regular size muffin tin, so it holds 6 muffins. And then I'm going to use 6 eggs. I'm going to use some shredded Chipotle Gouda cheese. And I'm going to take some spinach. And then I also fried up some crispy bacon, and it's cooked almost completely. Let's get these things started. Okay, so I forgot to tell you guys, before I put the eggs in the pan, I did spray the pan with some avocado oil just to make it a little bit more non-stick. So now that the muffins are built, I'm gonna put them in the oven. The oven's preheated to 350 degrees, and I'm gonna bake them for 20 to 25 minutes. To make sure they're done, when I take them out, I'm gonna take a toothpick, put them in the middle, and when I pull out the toothpick, there shouldn't be anything extra on the toothpick, and that's how I'll know that the eggs are cooked all the way through. So I'll see you guys when they're done. Our scrambled breakfast egg muffins are all done. They did take about 25 minutes in the oven. So what I did was I took them out of the oven and I let them cool for a few minutes. And you'll notice that when they're cooking, they're gonna puff up really big, but as they cool, they'll shrink down a little bit. That's completely normal. So what I did was I took my muffins and I put them on a platter. And then I personally like to drizzle a little bit of hot sauce on them and just a dash of salt and pepper. And you could put on whatever topping you prefer. So let's go ahead and try them. Sound good. So I got bacon and there's spinach, so I got some meat, I got some veggies, and I have some eggs. I think that's a pretty good breakfast. It's a really good breakfast, actually. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, work hard, food harder.